Okay, so this is the Zebronics Pure Plus 4K webcam, and on paper it sounds pretty solid. It says 4K, it has autofocus, it has privacy shutter, it rotates, it swivels, it tilts. It's priced right in the sweet spot where most people are shopping for webcams. But here's the thing, when I plugged this into my Mac and recorded with it, the maximum resolution available was 1920 by 1080. That means this is outputting 1080p videos. If I'm wrong or missing something, let me know in the comment section. Which also means the 4K claim by the brand might be stretched. But here's what surprised me. Even if this is a 1080p webcam, it's a very good 1080p webcam. Let's start with the physical build. It's slightly chunky. On smaller laptops, it does look very big, but it feels solid. Nothing loose, nothing cheap. And this is where Zebronics Pure Plus actually stands out. It rotates, it swivels, and it tilts. That rotation and swivel makes framing much easier compared to the fixed position of normal webcams. And yes, there's a physical privacy shutter. The Logitech C270 doesn't have this feature. For me, that's a huge missed opportunity on their side. And when the shutter is closed, the mic still works. Now let's talk about image quality. Under normal tube lighting, it looks balanced. Skin tones looks natural. It's not aggressively sharpened. It's clearly better than most built-in laptop webcams, even the Apple one. With just a tube light, this is the kind of result that you can get. Note that the light is shining from behind me. Currently, I'm using these two lights and a light on the background. This is the result that you can get. So now I'm going to turn off the background light. So without the background light, it's too overexposed. Let me just turn off the lights. So with just one light, it looks like this. And the audio that you are hearing right now is directly from this webcam. Let me know in the comments how this audio sounds like. You can enable these math features like studio light. So turn it on, it look like this, and portrait mode to blur the backgrounds. The edge light feature, which gives you a nice aura around your screen. And the reaction feature is also available. And you can also change backgrounds. You can either use the ones provided by Apple or you can upload your own. So this webcam seemingly has autofocus. It's now focused on my hand, and if I remove that, it will focus on my face. So that's good. Autofocus does shift slightly sometimes. The Logitech one use fixed focus, which can actually be a good thing in meetings because the focus won't shift unexpectedly. That's a real trade-off between stability and flexibility. Coming back to the 4K claim, based on my testing, this outputs to 1080p at maximum, which technically means that the brand might be exaggerating about the 4K positioning. But honestly, I'm genuinely happy with the video quality that this is outputting. With good lighting, you could absolutely record proper YouTube videos or streams using this webcam. I would strongly recommend pairing it with a good external mic though. I'll list a good budget mic in the description if you want to check it out. So one of the only issue I found is that the base of this webcam is sticking towards the screen. If I go by centimeters, it's like half a centimeter. I also found a way to place it just above the display frame so it doesn't interrupt the screen at all. As long as you don't move your monitor aggressively, it stays stable. Now at this exact price range, Logitech C270 competes here. Logitech claims built-in noise reduction. I don't have it with me directly to test it. If you want me to make a dedicated video on the Logitech C270, please let me know in the comment section below. Logitech also offers 2 years of warranty, and the Zebronics one here offers only 1. Logitech also has higher rating in Amazon, around 4.3 stars. The Zebronics sits at around 3.7 stars. But the Logitech doesn't rotate or swivel, and it doesn't have a privacy shutter. So it really depends on what you value. If you want fixed focus and longer warranty, go with the Logitech one. If you want flexibility, privacy shutter, and strong 1080p output, the Zebronics Pure Plus makes sense. Also, please note that the Logitech one is only outputting at 720p. For me, I'm happy with what I have received, and I won't be switching anytime soon. If this video helped you, subscribe for honest breakdowns like this. I'll see you around the next one. Peace.